Bumsibenta bandang penjur susu ban pengob ikibrio kibalului bat kibawan na kilongyeng kibaduk basuk ki nongkhaïi drok sabas dang man pengob iki ki IAU droks klamjing siu tat haduh bakinda kyrni. Ya kani la pentip do Dr. Lajaram Bisnoy Ubadew Director General of Police bat benrabru ba onda kibrio ki la kyrni yau droks ki habru bantu na yeng nasem ya ka jingdon jingam na yeng nasem tang ban yo di yau droks.
You can say the middle to higher level traffickers were arrested, including few from Mizoram and few from Manipur also, one or two from Assam also. They were, you can say, even above the middle level traffickers because they were involved in the interstate nexus also. And you know, the drug traffickers earlier they used to contact directly with the consumers. But now, with the help of the middlemen, they have changed their strategy and they started supplying drugs free of cost to the consumer so that they can increase the number of consumer and that their supply can remain intact. So that is surprising for us because when we arrest the drug addicts particularly, so they always tell us that we are from very poor family and we get the drugs free of cost from the traffickers. So free of cost means the traffickers will give free of cost only for few days. And once they become drug addict, after that traffickers will not take care of them. Then what they will do, then they will start stealing money from their own homes or from the buying from friends. So those kinds of problems are there. Recently, we have arrested one person from the West Jantia Hill who has stolen rupees 8 lakh gold ornaments of his own mother. Can you imagine? So these kind of the side effects, social side effects are there. And if they can quarrel with their own mother, if they can injure their own family members, so then you can expect they can go to any extent. So these are the new dimensions. We are also looking into all these nitty-gritties, what can be done and how we can involve the society and other stakeholders.
Sir,